We are given an array of integers and each number in the array can either be 0, 1 or 2. The number 0 represents the color red, the number 1 represents the color white and the number 2 represents the color blue. We are asked to sort this array in place, that is without using any extra space. What we can do is, we will use these 3 pointers. The first one is a pointer for traversing through the array starting from the left side till we finish the sorting. The second one is a pointer for keeping track of the red elements starting from the left side till we find out all the red elements. And the third is a pointer for keeping track of the blue elements starting from the right side till we find out all the blue elements. So let's solve this problem using these 3 pointers. We will place the red pointer and the traversing pointer on the left side of the array and we will place the blue pointer on the right side of the array. So as we traverse through the array, if the current element is 0, then we will swap that element with the element in the red pointer. Since in this case the red pointer and traversing pointer are both on the same index, we will swap 0 with itself. After swapping, we will increment both the red pointer and the traversing pointer because they both started at the same index, and also the red pointer is not going to give any element that is not visited by the traversing pointer. And if the current element is 2, we will be swapping this element with the element in the blue pointer. Here we will be swapping 2 with 2. After swapping, we will be decrementing the blue pointer, but we will not be incrementing the traversing pointer because we don't know what element will be given by the blue pointer from the right side. So here again we are having 2 as the current element. We will swap it with the blue pointer. And after swapping 2 and 1, we will decrement the blue pointer. Now the element at the current index is 1. If the current element is 1, then we need not have to do anything because we are already moving all the red elements to the left and all the blue elements to the right. So automatically we will be having all the white elements or all the ones in the middle. So we will simply increment the traversing pointer. Here also the current element is 1, so we will increment the traversing pointer. Now the current element is 0, so we will swap it with the element in the red pointer. After swapping 1 and 0, we will be incrementing both the red pointer and the traversing pointer. At this point we have already crossed the blue pointer and hence we will be finding only blue elements hereafter. And therefore we can terminate the traversal here itself. And this is the final sorted colors array. Now let's code the solution. We will store the length of the array in this variable. Initially we will set both the red pointer and the traversing pointer to the leftmost index 0. And we will set the blue pointer to the rightmost index n-1. Now let's traverse through the array till we cross the blue pointer. During traversal, if the current element is 0, then we will swap it with the element at the red pointer. And then we will increment the red pointer and also the traversing pointer. If the current element is 2, then we will swap it with the element at the blue pointer. And then we will decrement the blue pointer. And if the current element is 1, then we need not have to do anything, and hence we will simply increment the traversing pointer. Let's try running the program. It's working. See you in the next video.